Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is bold. It is pronounced bold, and it is spelt B-O-L-D. Bold has two meanings. The first is showing an ability to take risks, being confident and courageous. The second is having a strong or vivid appearance. For example, you could say, because I was bold, I entered the haunted house before my friends. Or, his bold t-shirt was covered in neon yellow polka dots. Bold comes from the Old English word beeld, meaning brave, confident, or strong. This is the same as its meaning today. Can you think of anywhere you might have heard the word bold before? What about on the computer? When typing up a document, you may have seen the option to bold your text. Bold in this context means a set of type characters that are darker and heavier than normal. Bold text stands out from regular text and is often used to highlight key words or pieces of information, and it has a stronger and more vivid appearance than normal text, and therefore it is bold, hence its name. Bold is usually an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, I don't think I am bold enough for public speaking. Bold is defined in the dictionary as not frightened of danger, or strong in colour or shape, and very noticeable to the eye. Bold synonyms include daring, intrepid, courageous, brave, valiant, fearless, unafraid, undaunted, distinct, pronounced, and prominent. Antonyms include timid, shy, unadventurous, pale, afraid, cowardly, fearful, meek, apathetic, dispirited, dull, and feeble. See if you can be bold today. You could do this by being brave or confident at school today, or you could wear something bold. Either way, impress your parents by using your new word in conversation today. Bold. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.